Lotus roots from lotus flowers, aka water lily, grow underwater in the mud. They have sausage-like sections in tuber form that have air canals through them. Lotus roots are consumed by many cultures throughout the Asian region, as medicine, tea, salad, soup, stir-fried, deep-fried, and even juicing. The root is crunchy and crisp with a mildly sweet flavor very much like the water chestnut texture. Most parts of this plant have healing virtues and can be eaten: the root, young flower stalk, and seeds. Nutritional benefits. Lotus root is rich in vitamin C and traces of the B vitamins. It also has important minerals like iron, phosphorus, copper, manganese, calcium, sodium, and a high amount of protein. Health benefits of lotus root. The lotus plant is unique as it is the only plant that can live in water, earth, and air all at the same time. It has great health benefits, and the Asian cultures have realized these facts from ancient days. Anemia due to heavy menstruation. Lotus root juice or soup is useful for blood building in women who are losing blood due to heavy menstruation. Drink juice or soup 3 days continuously after menstruation. Bleeding. Stop. Traditional Chinese medicine uses lotus root juice to stop bleeding in the esophagus, intestines, stomach, colon, and even nose bleeding. Here's how to make a lotus root juice to stop nosebleeds. Constipation or diarrhea. The juice is very mild and calming to the stomach, and helpful for relieving constipation or stopping diarrhea. Energy booster. The rhizomes are adapted tubers, which grow in the mud under the water and store energy in the form of carbohydrates/starch. Eastern Oriental medicine believes that eating lotus roots and seeds can help enhance the energy level and vigor of the body. Heart protection. Lotus root contains the B-complex vitamins such as vitamin B6, niacin, pantothenic acid, folate, riboflavin, and thiamine. It guards against the risk of heart attack by controlling damaging homocysteine intensity in the blood. Intestinal complaints. Consuming lotus root helps prevent intestinally and colon diseases, treating swelling of enteritis or intestine. Drink a combination of the lotus root juice with ginger root juice. Mucous elimination. The high vitamin C content in lotus root juice helps to break up mucus accumulation in the respiratory system and eliminates it from your body. It releases the mucus or phlegm accumulation in the lungs and dissolves them, thus being helpful as a remedy for asthma, bronchitis, cold, cough, and tuberculosis. For better effects, juice lotus root with an equal amount of carrots. It makes a highly nutritious drink and is delicious too. Sinusitis. Due to its ability to melt or dissolve mucus accumulation, regularly drinking lotus root juice also helps to alleviate sinusitis. Temperature control. Drink lotus root and orange juice to bring down fever, or a hot lotus root soup as a remedy for a cold. Make a soup of lotus root and carrot, add chicken if you like. Consumption tips. Choose lotus roots that look crunchy and juicy and have no soft spots or blemishes on the exterior. Store lotus roots wrapped in a plastic bag and stored in the fridge. Consume within 5 days for its best taste and nutrients. To prepare lotus root, cut off the joints of each section, then scrape off the thin layer of its skin with a spoon. For cooking or making soup, slice the lotus root across at about 1/4 inch thickness. For juicing, cut up the root lengthwise and juice it uncooked, raw.